Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to do a Nokia E90. Well, when I'm saying to do, I'm not meaning creating it. Well, you'll see in a minute. This phone has a missing piece and it's in very good condition. It's not new, but it's like new. And I think this might be the upgraded version. We'll talk about that later. What I'm going to do is disassemble it, clean it. I believe it's a microphone problem and I'm going to change that as well, and also change the upper part from the buttons here. Since I have it from my other restorations, I have two good ones, so why not put them to use and keep the whole body shell original like it should be. So let's begin. Actually no, let's begin. So here's the phone in all its glory. Yeah. Like I said, this might be the improved version one of it, because the first version, when you closed it, like so, the screen was touching the buttons, and like you can see here, it's scratched. Where this one doesn't have scratches beneath the protective screen. Let me take it off of it. See? No scratches. And also it opens a bit more than the other one. See it like this. The old one opens like this. This is the maximum. This one, maybe it's a hinge problem, but it doesn't have any cracking sounds or anything. And when you close it, it doesn't touch the screen. So let's tear this down. Well, tearing it down may sound a bit too much, but it's not. It's basically a disassembly, cleaning, and putting it back together. Because I don't have many complaints of the actual body shell. It's in very good condition, and I like to keep it as original as possible. And yeah, the screen has some cracks, some scratches in it. But I'll see if one of my screens are better than this one. I'm gonna change it. If not, this is how it shall remain. Right, let's begin. Well, just one clamp snapped here. This is kind of inevitable, unfortunately. However, I will glue it here while it waits to be assembled again. Let me just give it a touch of glue, nothing more, while it waits its assembly. That's it. I may need this again, so I'm keeping it there. Let me take out my fancy screwdriver. Of course, this problem. That's what I can do there. Oh, also this problem. Yeah. This is the function button. I'm gonna put it there. This is the part that I need to change, this broken one, and the infrared port. Alright. The buttons are in good shape. This is the main board, which I have to be careful with it. So the speaker S, plural, stereo, if you may, and the antennas. The flash shall remain here. Now let me take this out. Here we have this metal part, which is in good condition. Again here. Using the knife because it's sharp. Thing should slide. There we go. The front shell. The buttons, which are pretty good. Take the display out. What was in this phone? And what do we have here? Should I say that this phone has been tampered with? Interesting. Okay. The hinge mechanism and this part. So I'll get to clean this, look for some parts, and be right back after that. Don't go anywhere. Okay, I've cleaned it, even cleaned this part that I got from my older body shells. Oh, here's what I forgot to clean, the tiny display, but it's not that dirty, so not a problem. Time to put everything back together. The display is also removable from this metal plate, but there's no need for me to do that.
Non più tra i farfalloni amoroso, notte e giorno di torno girano, delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto a dolcino d'amor. Delle belle turbando al riposo, Narcisetto.
Okay. Nice. I don't think this is right. Maybe it has been reset or who knows. But hey, at least it looks awesome. Oh, let me turn off this light. There we go. Looking good. So that's it with this Nokia. I'm gonna put it in the showcase where it belongs after I turn it off. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and found it useful if you need to disassemble yours. And I'll see you in the next video. I wish you a very awesome day just like yourself and all the best. Bye bye.